Hey guys, my my USB-C port hub has just arrived. I'm going to test it with my laptop, as you can see. This is the box. It tells you some features in it. The first part, as you can see, is HDMI. We have another port for VGA. We have a USB-C port, and we have another one for card reader and USB-C mail. So let's take a look at this. As you can see, pretty good quality materials, at least. Strong connector. This is a VGA port, HDMI, USB-C, SD card reader, and we have USB ports. So I bought it because I want to connect an extra monitor and have extra USB ports, but we have additional. If we want to connect another monitor, we can do it with the HDMI port. So let's connect it and see. So looks good. Definitely recommend to buy one of these if you want to save money with buying a dock, which is much more expensive. The price for this is reasonable, and we're obviously gonna test it and let you know in the comments. But in my experience, this works perfectly. So thank you guys.